Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for clicking on here. If you're new here, my name is Karina and I do fashion and styling videos as well as some hauls. Today I'm doing exactly that, a Walmart haul, which is very small. It's not a lot of things, but just some things I wanted to share because they are fall inspired. I've got 3 pair of jeans, a jacket, a top, and a PJ, which I know it's kind of odd, but the PJ is so dang cute, and so I wanted to share that with you. So if you're interested to see what I've got, how I would style it, then just keep on watching. Also, if you can hear a lot of background noise, my AC went out yesterday, and so I've got a fan going on here, and also there's like a window unit in the living room, so I think you can maybe hear it in here, so I apologize for that, but hopefully we'll get that fixed tomorrow. So we'll go ahead and start off with the jeans because I'm super excited about them. I've got 3 pairs. The first ones I've had the longest. The other 2 I just purchased recently and actually haven't worn out. But of course, can't talk about Walmart without talking about the infamous mom jeans from the No Boundaries brand. These are the light wash, blown out knee boyfriend jeans, or are they boyfriend jeans? I think these are like mom jeans. Okay, so these I got in the lighter wash. I have the last year's version of these in a little bit darker wash. They come like folded. You can wear them, you don't have to wear them folded, but I fold mine because I like them to be a little cropped on me. And yeah, I absolutely love these. I can't say enough good things about them. They have a tiny bit of stretch, but not a ton. So because it's the No Boundaries brand, they typically say to go up a size or 2 because they're made smaller. However, I bought a 1. I think it's kind of hit or miss on the sizing. I would definitely recommend to try these on in store if you can, if you find them. I know these are at my local Walmart, but you know the sizes are kind of picked through. But this is a size 1 and my others are a size 1. However, I'd ordered the black pair last year in a size 1 and I couldn't get them up past my hips, which is odd because I have no hips. So those were a no-go. So essentially I should have gone up a size in that one, but I don't know. I think I'd have to try to find them in store and try them on. They're like $18, so if you're buying online because you can't find them in store, then I would recommend the size you normally wear and a size up. That's just me, but I also don't have any hips. So maybe for me, it's different than for everyone else. So if you've got hips, go up a size, maybe 2 sizes. These can be dressed up or dressed down. I love this light wash, but it also comes in other washes. This next jean is a free assembly brand. These still have the tags on them because I have not worn them out, but I did style them yesterday on my Instagram, or I put a picture of them on my Instagram with the thrifted top, and if you saw that video, it was a previous video to this. These are called the Full Wide Straight. I got them in a size 2 because the reviews had said to go up a size. These do have some pretty good stretch in them, and if you look at the image, which I'll put somewhere here, they look like they're a cropped jeans, but it's not cropped. So I don't know why the image looks kind of deceiving, and they'll say that in the reviews as well, like it's long, it's too long for me, blah blah blah. But I think they're a perfect length for me to wear with heels because that's how I plan to wear them. This is a wide leg jean with no distressing. I really love this wash. I love the fit. I love the stretchiness in it. Don't know if it comes in other colors, but I'll insert like an image of what it looks like. I'll see if there's some other, I'm pretty sure there's other colors, but I could be wrong. Either way, these are $29. I've been on the hunt for wide leg jeans for a while, and so I have a cute pair from Shein that I really like, only they're really snug at the waist and kind of like the hip area, so it like squishes everything, which I don't really have a lot going in there, but it makes me look, I think, even more narrow. I love how they look, but I don't love the fit. These I love the fit of. And No Boundaries actually also has a wide leg distressed jean, very similar to the ones I have from Shein. I ordered them in a size 1. They were a no-go. They were super tight, so I went up to a 3. That was a no-go. And so they were way too tight. I guess I have to find a 5. By the time I wanted to order them, they were already sold out online, and I haven't been able to find them in store. If you're looking for a wide distressed jean, definitely check out the No Boundary ones because they are $18, just like those mom jeans, and they seem like a pretty good option. They're high-waisted, wide leg distressed jeans. So I'll insert, I'll insert a little video of me wearing them on an Instagram story that I talked about, but I ended up returning those. So okay, the third and the last pair are a pair of Scoop brand high-rise flare jeans. I have a pair of flare jeans that I love to style and post on my Instagram, and I think I did a whole styling video here on YouTube a while ago, but I may do a new and updated version of it with these because I get questions on those all the time and I can't link them because they're no longer available. So I got another pair of Scoop flare jeans. These are in a little bit darker wash, so I made sure that I got a different wash than what I already have because I didn't want to have two of the same wash. So I definitely went with a little bit darker. This has no distressing, my other ones did, and they have a nice thick hem. They're pretty long on me. They've got a little bit of distressing that already comes on the hem. Maybe after a wash they'll shrink a little bit because the other ones did and I didn't have to get them hemmed, so I may wash them first and then see if I still need to get them hemmed. But love, love, love a good pair of flare jeans. These have a lot of stretch also, which is what I loved about the last Scoop brand jeans I have. So I knew these would be good and I went down to a 0. Anytime I know there's like a lot of stretch in the jean, I go down a size. So I definitely, since I was already looking at like free assembly stuff, I came across this top, which I thought was so cute and perfect for like the fall season. I thought it was just a normal like button-up top, but it actually has kind of this puff type sleeve. I don't think it's a full length because I actually went up to a medium and it fits kind of like here. I'll show you in the video. So I'm gonna keep it because I love the color, and this I'm just gonna fold up and make it even shorter on me. I thought it'd be good for like a layering piece or just to throw on over different outfits for like the fall. So I love this color and just button-up shirt. I'm just really into like button-up shirts right now. So, and not only can you wear it like over top something, you could also wear it tied or tucked in. Or now if y'all have been here for a while, then y'all have heard me rant and rave about these Scoop faux leather jackets for $40 because they are so good. They are so buttery soft, and the one that drew my attention the first time around, the first one I purchased is a green one that I love. When I say love, I mean I love. I'm not just saying like, oh my gosh, I'm obsessed about it. But no, I am literally in love with that jacket. I want to wear it every chance I get. So in the fall and winter of last year, I definitely put that jacket to use. And then I saw that they came out with like a white, like an off-white cream one, and I bought that one to transition from winter to spring, which I loved that one as well. But I knew that I was gonna love this one because I already own two of the same kind. And so this to me is more of a casual jacket than the other one that I have. So if y'all are in the market for a leather jacket or a faux leather jacket, definitely check these out from Walmart. $40. Comes in blue, pink, white, green, black. And it came in this beautiful like sand ivory color last year. I got it, we ended up getting it, my sister actually got it, my mom got it for her as a gift. Love that one. I'm so jealous because I really want that one. But anywho, there's an infinite way to pair this, obviously. Okay, so last but not least is the pajama set that I got. I just thought it was super cute, so I had to buy it. It's like a tan zebra print with cheetah. And it's got it here at the hem of the pant, and it has it over here on the sleeve and on the collar of the top. I just thought it was so super cute. I'm always looking at pajamas like I need any more pajamas, but this is so super cute. I'm trying to get rid of all of like just t-shirts and things that don't match and just get sets. So that's why I've kind of been on the hunt for like cute sets. So I got this. Is also a Walmart top, which is, you know, they have all kinds of basics for like under $5. So I grabbed one of these because I'm always buying white v-necks. But yeah, those were all the items I got from Walmart recently. I did want to try to get those infamous lug boots that I've been seeing all over social media, but I did not sadly find any in store or online in my size. So I don't have them. I don't know if I'll get the ones from Walmart because I'm actually on the hunt for some that have more of a heel than the ones that they have at Walmart right now. But they seem like a great option for very inexpensive if you wanted to try the lug boot trend. Definitely check those out. But that's all. If you did like what you saw today, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Also, I'm trying to put out more content. So if you haven't seen recently, I'm talking about how I would love to style one item daily. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it daily, but definitely weekly, and style several different outfits with the one item, whether it's a piece of clothing or a bag or a pair of shoes. Yeah, if you have anything that you would like to see styled, please leave it down below and I would love to style it for you. And that is all. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.